our chief guest, guests of honor, Professor Dhavendra Kumar, Professor O.P. Singh, our Vice Chancellor, dignitaries on the dais, distinguished faculty, alumni, parents and students. I thank our Vice Chancellor for giving me the honor of delivering this address and take this opportunity to congratulate the students of 2011 batch. You are fortunate to be graduating from this 111-year-old, the largest residential medical university of Asia. The alumni of this university have brought laurels to their alma mater and earned name and fame globally. Welcome to the family of Georgians, whose friendly presence you will find wherever you go. I also want to congratulate your parents and loved ones who are here. It is a day for you to be proud of your precious one whose journey you have shared and treasured. For me and other alumni here, it is a day rich in memories. As I stand here, I remember this day about 40 years back when I was sitting in your place, so uncertain of the future. Little did I know then that the inexperience, the lack of a foreseeable path, is in reality the greatest asset, for it enables you to carve your own path, your own way. You will soon realize that life itself is the biggest university, but it gives the test before the lesson. So keep your sensitivities alive. The one advice I would like to give you as you venture into the world is always listen to your heart. This may sound like a cheesy and a cliched advice a movie actor would give you. It is cliched because it is so true. In life, you will face many ups and downs, will have to take many difficult decisions and listen to many conflicting voices. When many voices are speaking, it will make us more than what we are. Our hearts know that it is not true, but the eyes are too powerful. It is easier to fix the mind on what we can see than listen to the still, gentle voice of a whispering heart. A heart will say amazing things if it is given a chance. Spare a few moments every day to be still and forge the connection with your heart. The second important point I want to bring to your attention from this platform is, as you contemplate your future, remember to use your education to pay back to the society and the world for all that it has given you. In words of Einstein, education is what remains after one has forgotten everything he once learned in school. What remains is the values, the principles, the ability to decipher the right from the wrong, and your discretion. It gives you the ability to dream and to dare. Don't be afraid of failing in your aspirations, for failure is a teacher. The only thing to fear is fear itself. गिरते हैं शह सवार ही मैदान जंग में, गिरते हैं शह सवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफ्र क्या गिरेंगे जो घुटनों के बल चले. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Has always been about dreaming and daring. Daring indeed takes courage, but an even greater valor is required once the dreams are fulfilled. Be humble in success. Success is also about helping others. It will help them, no doubt, but will give you the satisfaction and end up helping you more than anyone else. Getting out of your own concerns reminds you that you are not the center of the universe. You have chosen a noble profession, which in today's materialistic world is being driven by strong commercial forces. Be careful. Remember that even in this era of so many costly diagnostic tools, healing can never be complete without honest communication, patient listening, and dealing with a patient like a fellow human being. A patient is not an interruption, but an opportunity for you to serve. Even if you treat an occasional patient free, you will realize that you have been the gainer. Technology is advancing rapidly. By the time you master one technique, another comes up. Keep pace. But once you reach a certain level, the only thing that will give you an edge is the human touch. Doing your job well is not enough. Be aware of the needs of the society and keep finding ways of how you can integrate with others to widen your horizon. You are the leaders of tomorrow, and it would be your job to pick up the baton. I am sorry if it seems like we are placing the burden of the world on your shoulders and telling you that you have just spent the best years of your life. Is the worst awaiting you? No. My purpose is to celebrate you, not to depress you. I am sure your time here has been well spent and has prepared you for many wonderful days to come. May you cherish the reliable presence of a parent, outstretched hand of a friend, extra efforts of a teacher, a classmate who challenged you to do better than ever before. Don't undervalue them. Their blessings are your treasure, the very source of your strength, peace, and happiness. May you have the opportunities for using your many gifts, whatever you want to be, general physician or surgeon, or specialize in a particular field. Just move ahead and embrace wholeheartedly. What you love doing the most, everything else will follow in place. Follow your passion with zeal. Be a learner for life. Never become learned, for the end of learning is the end of growth. In words of Steve Jobs, stay foolish, stay hungry. That's the way to live. Don't forget to take a break and time off for relaxation. For all work and no play makes you know what. Our Vice Chancellor often reminds us of the necessity for unwinding. While pursuing your profession, develop an alternate talent as a hobby. It will provide you a cushion and the required unwinding. Finally, I wish for you that you will be doers, not drifters, and by your actions, you will each add to the luster of this institution's name and to your own. To the glory of our institution, I would like to say, गगन मंडल पर यदि सूर्य अपनी दैदीप्त किरणों से विश्व को आलोकित कर रहा है, गगन मंडल पर यदि सूर्य अपनी दैदीप्त किरणों से विश्व को आलोकित कर रहा है, तो पृथ्वी पर केजीएमयू के अनेकानेक तारे केजीएमयू के आभा मंडल को विश्व में विस्तार दे रहे हैं। आप उन्हीं तारों में से एक हैं जिनमें केजीएमयू का प्रकाश फैलाने की अद्भुत क्षमता है। Take pride in the Georgian prestige. Enjoy it, but don't forget you owe the same to your juniors. I congratulate you once again and wish you all the best. Step into the world, carve your own path, and show them what Georgians can do. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. On behalf of all the alumni, faculty and loved ones in the audience, let me give you our good wishes once again. And end by saying, ले राहे वफा की हर ठोकर हर खार बताए देते हैं, ले राहे वफा की हर ठोकर हर खार बताए देते हैं, हर दाव घात हर ऊंच नीच हर बल समझाए देते हैं। अब इसके आगे तू जाने, अब इसके आगे तू जाने, ए दोस्त तेरा दम हम जाने, हम हाथ पकड़ दो चार कदम तुझको चलवाए देते हैं। I wish you all the best and success in life, and hope that God gives you the courage to dream and dare to pursue your dreams. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
धन्यवाद मैडम। मैं छात्रों की